This is my 1949 Studebaker 2R5 truck that my sister and I are in the process of restoring. And today I wanted to talk about the installation of my front brake lines. The tools that I used for this entire project of replacing the brake lines was this pipe bender, tubing bender that I got right here. Got another one right here with those claws. Those are the two that I used. I got a tube cutter, and then I have the double flaring tool kit that I got from Harbor Freight. On my front brakes, this is the driver's side. This is the hard line that goes from the flex hose. This flex hose goes to the disc brakes calipers, and this is where it connects. This is a 20-inch line that I bought, and I ended up cutting it down to about 13 inches. But I connected it here, created the bend, slid it down. It entered the frame at this point right here. And one of the things that I do want you to notice is that I was able to find a 1/2-inch hose that had a 3/16 inner diameter that I was able to slice and slide over the brake line, and so it is acting as a cushion between the brake line and the frame right here. This brake line enters the frame over here at this junction T, and that's where it connects. For the front passenger side hard brake line, I ended up using two pieces, a 30-inch piece and then a 12-inch piece. For the 30-inch piece, I started right here at the junction of the flex line that goes to my disc brakes. Made the appropriate bends to get it to run down the frame. It enters the frame right here, and I think you can probably see that rubber hose that I talked about for my driver's side that the brake line was able to fit into, and so this is going to help keep it from rubbing on the frame. That brake line then enters the frame from this side. Again, you can see that rubber hose there. And then I went ahead and bent it to lay up against the frame. You can see a mounting point right there. Comes on over, bends around the frame, and there is the junction where the 30-inch line ends and the 12-inch line begins. And so I joined them right there. It connects right here at this point, moves over, bends out, and then it connects the same junction T over here. For the hard brake line that runs from the front at this T, you can see part of it going in here. I used a 12-inch line initially to get it to the frame, and we'll take a look at it on the other side. So as you can see, that 12-inch line comes out of the frame through here. Now I bent it down, and it actually connects right here with the union to the 40-inch line that takes it the rest of the way to the master cylinder. That 40-inch line now comes underneath my cross member here, and then it runs along the bottom of the frame. And what I ended up doing was making a bend to bring it back toward the frame, and then bending it to run along the frame. You can see another anchor point right here. The line will continue, and it actually goes underneath the fuel tank mount right here, and then it comes out to this point right here. And then this is where that flexible line with the residual, the 2-pound residual check valve, the blue one, will connect to here, and then that runs to the master cylinder itself, which is going to be just in front of that. Hopefully this will help somebody else out there. Thank you very much, and bye.